Well, hello, At the Wheels fans, all 100 plus of you. I know it's been quite a long time. I'm sorry for the delay. But yeah, this is Dave, and I've missed you guys. It's been a little crazy over the last 6 months plus or so since I've really done any videos. I actually got mono, which is the goofiest thing because, you know, as a kid, you get mono, you make out with some sketchy girl and, 13 years old and you get mono and you think you're done with it. And by the way, I was probably the one that was sketchy in that scenario. But yeah, and you think it goes away, but it's just like a lot of things, it lives in your body and decides to come back someday. So it knocked me on my ass for a bit. And they did all kinds of tests and they said, your spleen's a little enlarged, you got mono. So that was a little challenging, but got through it, all good. It sort of spearheaded a campaign for me to start losing a little bit of weight. So I've dropped about 30 plus pounds. I'm keeping going with this, trying to get a little slimmer, look sexy for the ladies. Just kidding, honey. Or the guys, whatever, if you think I'm attractive, I mean, that's fine. I'm good with that. But anyways, so all kidding aside, let's talk about why I'm here doing this video. A couple reasons. Number one is I'm launching a new endeavor, a new channel called Revved Up and Roasted. I'll show you the little intro video in a little bit. I'll put that at the end. That's going to be about me going out and visiting coffee places because the cars and coffee thing is so big. I figured why not just start, and because I love coffee, why not go out and see some cool coffee places and then eventually maybe integrate some people in the car community. But for now, it's just going to be me going and checking them out, having a good time, saying hello, driving my cool car there, maybe meeting up with some other people. And I'm also going to do a little separate thing in the channel called Revved and Roasted Reviews, where I'll review like coffee that I make at home and, maybe some, I don't know, music, books, whatever. It's all kind of in the works, as a lot of things in my life usually tend to be. But yes, Revved Up and Roasted, that's what we're going to do. I will still do some videos here on the At the Wheels channel that'll be, completely car focused, like cool shows and events. So keep an eye out for that for sure. But that's it. Yeah. The other thing I want to do is talk about how the fact I got a new car. Back in October, I got a 992 GTS in Python green. Ta-da! Beautiful car. Love it. Now, I'm not going to do a real long review because I had a previous GTS, which was the 991.2, the lava orange that I loved. Yes, there's a picture of that. Look at that. Beautiful. Missed it. I actually told my wife recently, I'm going to buy that car back. I'm not sure where it is or where it went or whatever, but at some point I'm going to find it. Since it's my first 911 I ever owned, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to keep it and never sell it. Yeah, we'll see. Who knows? The way the world is right now, anything could happen tomorrow. So, but seriously, I want to talk about the GTS. I absolutely love this car. It is an upgrade from the 991.2. Absolutely. It is quicker. It feels more crisp. The technology certainly is better. And as I said, there's so many reviews of this car. And now they got the 992.2, so there's no need for me to get into a lot of details. I'll take you for a quick little spin. But I do love the technology. But I can tell you right now, the biggest selling point for me, the absolute bar none biggest selling point was when I went for the test drive and I heard that exhaust. That exhaust sound is the best that's ever been in a non-GT 911, in my opinion, because I've driven in a lot of them, even though I've only owned two at this point. It just 6,500 RPM plus, and it was a short little window there. It's not a GT3, so you're not going to get to 9, but 75-ish, 77, whatever it is. It sounds amazing. I'll try to do that. I want to drive responsibly. I'm not going to do anything crazy in this little video, but I'll try to get up there because that's what sold me the car. It was like, love it. In addition to, as I said, the technology and the beauty and the aesthetics and all that stuff. So anyways, yes, take you for a quick spin in the 992 GTS. You'll see some pictures that I'll, of course, put up here. And at the end, I'm going to show you the little intro video for my Revved Up and Roasted, which I'm really excited about. I hope to do some little featurettes within the videos that'll be fun, and you'll see all that coming. So I'm going to put some real effort into this, but it's going to take me a little while to launch, so be patient. So anyways, let's start up the 992 GTS in Python green. Yes, that's the radar. It's going to do its own little thing there. Bought this mount. I'll probably put a little linker in the end of the video too. You can check out this suction, like locked on clamp suction mount with a magnet on it. Has been phenomenal for the iPhone. Love it. This is absolutely great for in-car video if you guys do that. So obviously I'm not sponsored. I don't have enough subscribers at this point to even think about that, but I do like this little thing, so I will put a little link. So let's just go for a quick little spin in the GTS. And just to give you a little bit of background on it for those who are maybe not real familiar, the upgrade's about 25-ish horsepower on this from the 991.2 GTS that I own. Torque is maybe 9 or 10 higher. It's nothing dramatic at all. But it does feel a lot more linear and crisp and just You know, the turbo lag has been further reduced. So really, really digging it. It's a hell of a car. And, you know, I just never thought I would really ever get over losing the orange one, or, you know, just not having the orange, because I love that color so much. But I can tell you now, man, I really feel like this Python green is not just growing on me. I think I like it better than the orange. Got the yellow seat belts, got the yellow big brakes. You know, it's a beautiful car aesthetically. I used to always talk about, I get a lot of compliments on the lava orange. Let me tell you, man, I get ridiculous compliments. People are just stopping me all the time. Just at the gas station, a girl wants to pull up on her motorcycle, take a picture with that. She wants to post it on social media. I got little kids wanting to sit in the car. So very, very cool. It's always fun when you got, you know, people paying a lot of attention to you. I mean, maybe not. I mean, it depends on the scenario, I guess. But so anyways, 992 GTS. It is a very buttoned up car. The handling is incredible. Handling wise, I would say it's very similar to the previous car that I owned. Not a real dramatic difference there, but for me, it's the throttle response. Absolutely the sound, the way it resonates at that, you know, almost 7,000 range. And just in general, it sounds better. It still has rear axle steering like I had in the other car. The one difference here, this has the carbon ceramic brakes. It's just the way that this car happened to be optioned, so that's what I got. And I do notice all those things they say about the carbon ceramics, that, you know, when it gets cold or it gets wet, they tend to a little underperform, but goes away pretty quickly, so it's not anything that's going to cause you any long-term stress. Brakes are absolutely insanely good. I mean, they grip like nothing you've ever felt. So in terms of the actual performance, they are insane. Gonna have to replace those brake pads fairly soon. They were probably getting close to the end of their life when I got this car 6 months ago. So that's gonna have to be something I'm gonna shell out for before long. But other than that, you know, this car, again, sounds great, looks great, performs flawlessly. I love driving it. It's more comfortable than the 991.2, and it just feels a little bit more technologically advanced, which it is. So I'm going to take us down to one little spot. I'll probably stop the video because I just want to give you one chance to maybe hear this exhaust kind of at full growl. But you don't need to just drive around with me the whole time. But anyways, love the GTS. It's an amazing car. So let me pause it for a second. I'll be right back as we get out to the on-ramp. All right, well, we got the glasses off because the sun is going down. It is a beautiful day here, mid-April, day before tax day here in Connecticut. But I'm getting up towards this highway on-ramp, so I'm going to just hopefully be able to crack it open a little bit so you can hear this. It just sounds glorious. It really does. So let's get ourselves positioned here. Let's see if we're going to be able to make this happen. All righty. Every time, I love it. Oh yeah, little bump there off the rev limiter. Got to slow down because, you know, got to be careful. We want to be reasonable and not be a crazy driver. But that sound is just incredible. I mean, I don't know what they did. I mean, I'm not, you know, a sound engineer, but it's beautiful. Just love it. Every time I get up, you know, is it good for gas mileage? Is it good for anything? No, but it's fun. And I'm a little child at heart, so I like doing it. But anyways, that's really all I'm going to say about the 992 GTS. It's an amazing car. I love it. There's nothing I don't like about it. You know, some people, they don't love the technology, I guess, or they feel like it's too modern. Doesn't feel analog enough or whatever. I think that's absurd. I think the car is absolutely perfect as it is. Can't see it getting much better. I know that new hybrid system in the new GTS, the hybrid T system, is supposed to be incredible, but, you know, I have no rush. I'm in no rush to move towards that car. This is a perfect one in my opinion. So get yourself a 992 GTS or an S or a base Carrera or a T or whatever floats your boat. But anyways, take a quick look at my intro for Revved Up and Roasted. That is launching soon. Please keep an eye out. I will post here when that's ready to go, and I'm looking I can get subscribers. But thanks as always for checking this out. You have yourself a phenomenal day. See you soon.
I love you. I'm not even embarrassed to say it. I love you.